The Hero Suite is an incredible Hercules themed stateroom here aboard the Disney Destiny. It is over 1,700 square feet, including a really large veranda. And to get to this suite, you'll be on the 13th floor of the ship in room 13,000. And when you first walk in, you will notice that the suite has two levels and some amazing details throughout. So we'll talk through all of those here in this video. The living room space is absolutely beautiful. So you have a couch, the TV, there's a dining room area, there also is a kitchen area, and directly off the living room space is going to be the first bedroom. So in here you have the bed, a TV directly across from it, and there is a full ensuite bathroom that is absolutely stunning. So in here you will have a full shower, the double sink with countertops, plenty of towels and other amenities to enjoy the bathroom space along with your bedroom here. So across from the bed again, you'll have the TV and you're right off the living room. We'll show you the veranda deck area here in just a second, but across from it again is going to be this living room, which has a extra tall ceiling going all the way up to the second level there. And the spiral staircase is an amazing detail. If you go up the spiral staircase, this will take you to the second suite that has we will call this like the master suite. So it's tucked away up here, and you'll have the full bedroom. So you'll have the bedroom with a full glass wall that has the beautiful views, the windows out to the ocean or island, wherever you are. There is a really large closet, so tons of storage. And then probably my favorite detail is the bathroom in here. So you have the soaking tub, the shower, again with those glass windows out to the ocean and beach. And I also really love the veranda. So out here, you're gonna have the hot tub with seats, and it is a huge veranda that you get just here for you and your guests. So plenty of space to come, sit, enjoy all of the amazing views. There is also a kitchen area, so here you'll find the coffee machine as well as tea. There is a fully stocked fridge for you here, so you can just pop down, grab any drinks that you want, and then there also are plates and other items. Also on the first floor, there is another powder room, so if you have anyone over, there is a separate bathroom that you have without having to go into any of the master suite areas, which is really nice. And then also just in the suite, there's some incredible Hercules details. So again, if you're a fan of Hercules, the art and all of the details in here are just absolutely incredible. Some of them are more subtle, like what you have here on the floor, but I think our favorite is going to be the large piece that you have here in the main living room space. And I also really like the muses that you have when you first walk into the room. So if you're a Hercules fan, this is the most incredible room. Even if you just want a special room on your stay, this is a incredible option. When you're on the 13th floor, just for some other of the theming, you will have the Sorcerer Mickey and some Fantasia details in the hallway. But overall, we absolutely love this room. It's probably our favorite room on the Disney Destiny. Thanks so much for following along with us.